friends, welcome back to the channel. I am back with another book review of an amazing book, The White Tiger by Aravind Adiga. This book is winner of the Man Booker Prize of 2008, and if you are still underestimating Indian literature, you should pick up this book because this book has so brilliantly portrayed the division of class of Indian society, which has been referred as the world of darkness and the world of light in this book. The book is primarily about the journey of a man from world of darkness to the world of light and what he does to cross that bridge of the two worlds. The title of the book, The White Tiger, refers to Balram Halwai, who is a man from a very small village, Lakshmangarh, near Gaya, and he belongs to a very poor family, but he is exceptional since his childhood. One day an inspector visits his school and he says that he is a boy that comes once in a generation, like a white tiger, and from there he gets the name White Tiger. Being a halwai, his fate is to become a sweet maker, and he is even forced to work in a tea shop. But he is not someone who would simply accept his fate, so he does every possible efforts to change his fate. He learns driving and takes up a job of a driver of Mr. Ashok, who is son of a landlord and who has returned from America. Initially, he respects his master wholeheartedly, but gradually he gets to know that how corrupt his master actually is. He gets enough money for himself in that job, but the sense of imprisonment and servility never leaves him. He wants to live like a free man, but it is not that easy to get out of the trap that he names as Rooster Coop. The servants are caged in like roosters are caged, and they know that how easy it is for their master to kill them anytime, and which makes them submissive and silent. They never revolt against their master. The whole narrative is from point of view of a servant, what a servant thinks of his master and how his master humiliates him without even realizing. Even if the master is responsible for some accident, the driver is made to take the blame upon himself. Aravind Adiga has so brilliantly portrayed the life of chauffeurs and the darker side of Delhi using dark humor. He talks about the world which is unknown to most of us and which is rarely talked about. One more thing that I absolutely loved about the book is its simple and extremely engaging language. Unlike most of the award-winning books, the whole narrative is written in form of letters to Wen Xiaobo, the Prime Minister of China, who is to visit Bangalore to see the thriving entrepreneurship of Bangalore, and now Balram Halwai is one of the leading entrepreneurs of Bangalore. Sometimes I feel that perhaps Aravind Adiga has written modern retelling of Macbeth because the same over-ambition and the same wrong path to take the master's position is seen in both Macbeth and Balram Halwai. Overall, it was a great experience to read the book. If you have already read the book, tell me about your opinions about the book. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.